Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make one of these cute little hearts. I'm making a rainbow for the window. It's just a scrap yarn project, so I'm going to do a tutorial for it all. But for now I'm just going to do this little heart, which I've put on a chain, and I'm going to hang them from it. I'm going to make more little butterflies and ornaments perhaps to go on here. I haven't really decided, but once I've finished the rainbow, and these are going to dangle. So these little hearts, you can make these in 3 sizes, but I'm going to show you how to make this small one. I'm going to use this colour because it won't show up if I show you the red. It flares a little bit. Just excuse me while I drink some tea. Won't be a moment. It's got a bit of... That's better. So yes, I'm doing this with scrap yarns, all from my previous projects that I've been doing, and they're all 3-weight, they're all DK, and I'm using a 5mm crochet hook because I want a nice lot of drape in my rainbow. So how I do this is with a magic loop, and if you don't know how to do that, I have a very simple method. I just make a loop, and then I put my hook through and bring the yarn through it, and you've done it. There's your magic loop. It's quite simple. Now I'm going to do 2 chain to get me up to the height of my stitch. I'm going to pull this tight just a little bit so that it makes it smaller. Now I'm going to do 2 treble crochets. That's a UK term. So in the US it's a double crochet. So I'm going to just do 2 in here. So that with my chain will be 3 really. So I'm just going to do 2. Quite simple. So I've done my 2. Now I'm going to do a half treble, and that's a half double in the US. So it's the same, getting the 3 loops on a hook and just pull through all of them. And now I'm going to do 4 double crochets, which is a single in the US. And I'm going to do 4 straight into this loop still. Now we're at the bottom of our heart. You can see a heart shape kind of thing. It sort of goes out and round. I want to point, so I don't really want to do another treble crochet. I'm going to just do a half treble because it can pull your yarn in a little bit. So I'm not going to make this loop on my hook too tight because I'm now going to go back in to do another 4 of my double crochets. Remember, they're a single in US. So that's my 3rd one. Just got to keep hold of this tail because we want to keep working over it. So I'm just going to hold it there and do my last one. We're coming up the other side, as you can see, and if you need to, just pull this work down a little bit. As long as you've got hold of both, you're fine. Now I'm going to do my half treble to match the other side, remember, and now I've got to do my 2 trebles, which is the doubles in the US. 1, 2. We're just exactly matching what we did on the other side. So we started with 2 chain, and we're going to finish with 2 chain, and then we're going to slip stitch into our ring, and that's simple as that. That's all done. Because I want these to dangle, there you go. So you can, if you ignore the big round, you can see it's a heart shape. So I'm going to pull that a little. I'm not going to put it really tight. Just going to pull it a little for now, just to make sure that that tail doesn't come through. And I'm going to chain 10 so that this will dangle. And then I'm going to cut that off. And just end off. So now all we have to do is pull this. Now I like to hold my fingers either side of it like that and just pull it. It doesn't matter if it rucks and sort of frills up. You can pull it again. So there we are, perfect little heart shape. Now if you wanted to make it bigger, you can just go around the whole thing with a row of double crochet, which obviously is a single crochet in the US. That's if you wanted to make it medium size. There are ways to make it bigger still, but I just want them this size. Now all you need to do now is to cinch this by really securing it, otherwise that little hole will work its way loose again. And I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to show you one more time how to do that, 'cause it's quite simple and quite quick. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You'll be informed when there are new videos. So let's do this one more time, because I need two. And hopefully, if you didn't get it the first time, this will make it simpler. So we're going to make the loop, put a hook through, and pull the yarn through it. And now we've got our magic loop. Perfect. So we're going to chain 2. And now we're going to do 2 treble crochet, which are double crochet in the US, remember. There's 1, and there's the second one. And now we're going to do a half treble, or half double in the US. Simple. And now we do the 4 UK doubles or US singles. Bottom of our heart, we're going to do another half treble or half double. Now we don't want to pull that loop there tight, and we're going to do our 4. If you pull it tight, you sometimes get this little kink in your heart. It doesn't look horrible, it can be annoying if you want it to be perfect. So we're doing 4 more of these. That's my 3rd. Grab that and hold on to it with my work. And that's my 4th one. Pull it down slightly to make more space. And now we're on the where we did this first bit, we did the chain, the 2 trebles and the half treble. We're doing that in reverse. So we're doing our half treble, then we're doing our 2 trebles, just keep hold of that, last one. And if we started with 2 chain, we end with 2 chain, and we just slip stitch that into there. And I'm going to pull this a little bit, not all the way, just to make sure it's out the way. And I'm going to do my 10 chain just so that I can attach it to my rainbow. And now I just end off. I'll make a nice long tail because I'm going to sew it on and pull it through. So now we just got to pull this into a tighter shape. So again, I hold like this, and just been gardening, sorry, but my finger looked a little bit like it had been scratched a bit because I have been taking on a rose bush and losing. So there we are, perfect little heart. Isn't that cute? So that's how we do it. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. As I said before, notification bell, and you never know, you might get a notification. They are few and far between at the moment, but you never know. So thanks again, and if you want to join me shortly, I'll show you how I do the rainbow and any other decorations that I'm putting on it. So thanks for now. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.